Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare the tastiest French fries in this bad boy here. It is the Power XL air fryer. Woohoo! Woo! Right guys, so in today's video I'm using 3 potatoes. As you can see, I have to peel them because I prefer to have my fries with peeled potatoes and not just cut. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start peeling these potatoes now. Right guys, so here it is. I've got these 3 potatoes all nice and peeled. If you enjoy your potatoes with the skin on, feel free and go ahead and enjoy your potatoes with the skin on. But I like it without the skin, so that's the reason why I've peeled them. Secondly, I don't have a French fry, potato cutter that cuts it into the shape of French fries. So my potatoes are going to be uneven. Some might be a bit thicker than the other, but it's alright. I can live with that. I'm still looking for a amazing potato cutter. I still haven't really found it. I'm probably trying Amazon and other places. I haven't really found the right one for French fries. Nevertheless, if you do, and if you use one and it's not too pricey, leave it in the comments below guys, so that I can have a look at it and check it out and see whether it suits my needs for French fries. Nevertheless, let's get on with the video, and I'm going to start chopping these into the shape of French fries. I honestly don't really have any particular style of chopping potatoes or cutting potatoes. Right, so that's the shape I like cutting my potatoes, and that's equivalent to like a French fry, but of course they're not even. Some of them are smaller, some are not the same, so remember, when you do that, it's the cooking time that varies as well. So some might be cooked and some might be not cooked that much, but I mean that's the best you can get without a potato cutter, which literally cuts the French fries in an even manner. Nevertheless, I'll be back once I finish chopping these potatoes, because there's quite a lot of potatoes to chop and it's manual, so it's going to take a little longer. So anyway, see you on the other side guys. So with the fries all done and all chopped up nicely, the 3 most important ingredients when you are preparing French fries in an air fryer are: ingredient number 1 is oil, ingredient number 2 is table salt, and the 3rd ingredient is at your discretion. You can use some red pepper or you can use cayenne pepper as well. But I prefer having flakes of red pepper right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up. First things first, add some salt to it so that the potatoes can sweat with that salt, just sprinkling of it. Okay. What I'm also going to do now is I'm going to add some oil to it as well. So here it goes. You can see just a little bit of oil. So with that, the potatoes don't shrivel inside the air fryer. They have to be nice and moist, and with some oil as well. And of course, you can use cayenne pepper or you can use red pepper at your discretion. I like it a little bit on the spicier side, so I'm just going to add some red pepper flakes. Yeah, that should be good. Right, so as you can see here, that's what it looks like so far. Okay, I am going to have to toss this really well so that I'm going to get a bit of oil draining as well into it. I'm going to add some pepper to my fries, which is in this tiny little bottle here. So I'm just going to add, again, at my discretion. As you can see, pepper in the fries. Going to mix it nice. That's ground pepper. And that's what it looks like, the final product, with some pepper, some red pepper flakes, chili flakes that is, sea salt, and oil. That's all you require for the air fryer. Now what I need to do is I'm going to put it in the air fryer basket. Right, so let's do it. Let's put the fries in it. So you can see here, fries here. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to toss it nicely. Of course, what you see at the bottom over here on the cutting board is the bit of oil that's just drained from that. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and I'm going to start the air fryer. I'll show you what setting it needs to be on in a bit. So there you have it, the fries are in the air fryer basket. All I'm going to do is insert the basket into the air fryer and have these lights come on. There you go. This is the Power Air Fryer XL, which means XL is the basket size. All I need to do is I need to tap on this. It's set to 370. Now, the mode over here, you see the M right there. I need to change it to N, and that's where you can see the fry symbol. I'm not sure if you can see it clear, or yeah, there you go. It sets itself automatically to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's gonna cook for 18 minutes. I usually cook the fries for about 25 minutes. If it's 3 potatoes, which I've used, it would be 25 minutes. But let's see what happens. I'm going to take the fries out again and give them a toss after 12 minutes. So let's see how that goes. So we're going to wait for it until 12 minutes. I'm going to remove the basket from here and give it a toss and put it back in and see how our fries look. Well guys, so 6 minutes left for the fries to be done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out. The total time we've got is, on the clock, is 12 minutes. Alright, so let's take it out now. Let's see what they look like at the moment. So from what I can see is, it kind of looks good, but it still needs to be cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to toss them. Remember, they're going to be stuck to the bottom of the pan. Alright, so that should be good. I'm going to put it back in. Automatically the air fryer starts. What we need on the clock now is, I'm going to change this time to, I'm going to add some more time. ET, right. I'm going to add about maybe 10 minutes, yeah. 10 minutes should be good. Now let's check what happens next. Look at that guys, so what we're doing here is we're going to check and see whether our fries are done. I'm going to stop it here. I know it still has about 5 minutes to go, but hey, I think our fries are cooked. So let's check it out and see what's the resulting outcome. Wow, beautiful. Look at that guys, look at that. That is fab. That seriously is fab. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to release the fries and I'm going to put them, as you can see, it's beautiful. Look how crisp they are. Look how golden brown. Amazing. Look at that, fantastic. All right, I'm gonna just want to see what it's gonna taste like. Of course, I'm gonna add some ketchup to it as well. You can't really have fries without ketchup. Let's check it out. Let's check the fries. Fantastic. So good. So amazing. Perfect. Two thumbs up, guys. Golden brown, perfect taste. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. It's 8181 How To. And there are tons and tons of videos coming up. Until next time, you take care and smash the like button, okay? Bye for now. Busy with my fries. Woo! Amazing.